Hi guys, I'm AK Jenfi. Welcome to my channel and welcome on board of my Alfa Romeo Mito. Well guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace your stock air vent with a Mercedes air vent. This is the air vent I'm going to replace with. It's the Mercedes A-Class 2015 model. It's very expensive. They are the central one. The central ones can fit your Alfa Romeo Mito central ones. In case you are purchasing them, you have to be careful not to buy the side ones. They look cool. I'm going to install it and see how it changed the look aesthetically inside the car. I'm going to replace, like here you see I've taken the stock air vent out. I'm going to replace it. Here I have the turbo gauge, so I can replace it. The lateral ones, the side ones, I'm going to replace it with the Mercedes air vent. For the middle air vent, you have to work on it. You have to modify it, or else it can't fit properly like the stock one. Well, now I'm going to remove the stock air vent. This is how to do it. Here is it. As you guys can see, compared to the Mercedes ones, you have 4 clips all around it. See, these clips have to come up once you place it inside here. Trying to remove it is going to give you a hard time. So once you are about to install it, take them off. Like, very easy. This is how to do it. Pull them up like this. You wiggle it, you put them back. Voila, you have it in your hands. When you have it like this, you can replace it. You can put it right where you took the stock one. On the working table, my brother is taking off the 4 clips on this air vent, the middle air vent. To remove the top end with a flat screwdriver, you press this little hook and it will come off. With your fingernail, remove the chrome ring from the black one. Perfect. Now we have the part that we are going to work on it. With the help of a drilling machine with a sanding flat disc mounted, we trim this whole part to make it a little bit smaller than the chrome ring we took off. Guys, this part take a lot of time. Try not to cause damage and be patient. Once finished, try to dress it up a little bit with a color to make it somehow decent. The final part is to spray it and leave it to dry before you put it back. Here's one finish, the event that we work on it. Now let's see if it can fit. There it is. Now I'm trying to give you the view inside the car. Alright, it's a nice modification. I do appreciate it. Like, I recommend it like to everyone who wants to replace the stock air vent. This is how it is. This is how like aesthetically you get with this beautiful interior view. I think, guys, I'm going to leave you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Take care. Peace. Bye.